Hello, it's William Jeremy. Welcome to my channel. So let's continue our developments of Simple Thumbnail Maker. And as you can see, we pretty much finished with most of the work here. So I think it's a good time to just fine tuning our app a little bit and prepare our listing to the App Store. So as you can see, the first thing that comes to my mind is that right now the app icon is not there. Okay, it's just some placeholder, so we have to do that. So and then the layout a little bit, not good enough because you use just all this with your default icon, the button, the little gadgets, all that. Of course, you can just do that and publish. Nothing wrong with it. Of course, you can just first get the functionality working and then make it visually appealing. But the most important thing, of course, is how it will actually work. All this functionality have to work, and then you're talking about how to fine tune it. So there will be a two-step right now. So first step, of course, is the thing that you must do is to make an app icon, and there are tons of ways to make app icon. Okay. So for example, let me just give you some websites. So we got this here. Okay. This website. We got this appicon.co. Okay, as the name suggests, it's pretty self-explanatory. I use this website a lot because if you're making a app icon, you're going to make a tons of different sizes, different like shapes and all that. You have to crop it. You have to leave all these paddings in order to make a good like app icon. And if you are like doing a cross-platform app, go to the Android, go to the iOS, you have to crop different requirements because the Google's requirements and Apple's requirements are quite different. So you have to choose from. Okay, so Apple iPad, Apple Watch, Apple Mac OS, all that is quite different. So you have to choose that, and then you just get your design, preferably an image file, 1024 by 1024, or using like a general using a appicon.ai. So if you do not want to design the app yourself, you can just use this AI tool. Okay, it's brilliant. You can just automatically generate all that brilliant, like a professionally designed app icon. And if you want to do it yourself, remember, I'm also a digital artist. I got a channel called Learn Digital Arts where I share my journey as a digital artist. So if you want, like me, you want to do it yourself, or you want to combine the AI generation with some of your design, you can also do that. And by the way, if you want to learn more about digital art, more about design, I kind of like to combine these two channels together because some of the things that I use, especially if I like this channel is mainly about dev, so development, design, and all this design, logo, icon, all that, and as well as remember, I also share game tutorials. So inside the game, we got all this modeling, like 3D model, and we got this illustrations, backgrounds, and like sprite. Yeah, I also make animations. So all the asset I'm using is combined with the Learn Digital Art for my other art channel. So I create all this asset and then I can use it. Okay, so if you're interested, you can go to my another website, not my other website, my other YouTube channel to check it out. Okay, so basically, right now you got like a two ways to handle the problem. The first way is like using AI if you don't want to design yourself, or you can hire someone to do it for you. Okay, it'll give you, sorry, excuse me, it'll give you amazing image, and then you can crop it, okay, to different platform. Okay, so let me quickly test this AI tool for you. Okay, so just to go to appicon.ai, and basically you need to like register, and then it's like a typical. If you watch my another channel, it's typical like a prompt field, and then the output generation field. So app icon or logo, I choose app icon, and I'm going to a flat or minimum. I think that's pretty good. Or vector, okay, if you're like going to modify that in another platform. Okay, what I'm gonna do is to look at my by the way, it's Illustrator where I share how to do this like design the icon and do that yourself. Okay, so if you look at here, it's the thumbnail maker. Okay, the thumbnail maker. So I'm thinking of a image stack together. Okay, I'm gonna test it. Not necessarily give you a first go. Enhance with AI. Okay, let's enhance this prompt. Okay, it's still won't charge me. So maybe not enhance with AI. Okay, just generate three credit. Do I have like a free credit now? If there's none, I don't. Yeah, I won't be able to show you guys because I don't want subscribe. I can just do it really quickly myself. So okay, I think it's kind of stuck here. You don't have any credit. Yeah, do want to charge me? Yeah, so doesn't really matter. We can always like do it ourselves. Let me introduce guys more of the tool. Okay, and disclaimer: I'm not affiliated with them. It's just some tool that I think you can use quickly crop it. And I believe this tool is pretty popular, called Icon Kitchen. At Twitter, right now it's called X. I heard a lot of fellow indie developers like using this tool, and I tried it out. It's pretty good, but sometimes I think it's a little bit buggy when you use this website version because it's pretty slow. It's pretty slow. So I have to like refresh that, and sometimes I like to use that like in my phone. It's working okay. I'm not sure. Sometimes it's just they ask me to wait for pretty long time. Okay, maybe the yeah, maybe it's because some of the script that's loading the web. So I'm choosing the iOS icon. So I'm choosing the iOS icon. As you can see, it's really slow. I think maybe because it's a server side thing. I don't think it's not because my browser sort of thing. Let's just wait. Okay. Sometimes I have to like refresh it multiple times. So yeah. So basically, you can see this simulator, and then you can clip art and text and all that. Strangely, I don't know what's wrong with this website. Let me use another browser. Okay, I used Safari to test it out, but maybe it's not a good time for us to test it because it also is pretty slow, and yeah, maybe I have to like wait for everything to load and then like doing maybe it's it didn't finish loading. Doesn't really matter. iOS icon, something like this. You can search a clip art. So for example, I can say 4K. We got like 4K here. It's pretty amazing. You got color as well as gradient. I think it's a pretty good for like a quick adjusting. Okay. And we got like I believe it's like copyright free or I'm not sure. Okay, maybe it's not copyright free icon, but it's a good like reference. Okay, so for example, I wanted like a batch generate. I can like say something like this. Okay, batch generate. Okay, batch generate something like this. Okay, you can have a color of the clipboard inside. Okay, or you can have effects like drop a shadow, something like that. Cast shadow. And then we can get padding background. You can get a gradient background to make it more, like layered and sophisticated, something like that. And of course, then you can download it. And yeah, but obviously this kind of a way of doing things is that first really rely on other people's service, and sometimes if they're like the service broke down or get pretty laggy, you may have a really hard time. Okay, for example, you made this for like 30 minutes and then you didn't save the work. I did not click download or download broke. You can't get it. Okay, so yeah, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I heard it's pretty good. But yeah, this is how it will look. Okay, yeah. So of course you can change the app name or that. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so yeah, that's my recommendation. But my personal preference, of course, is to using Adobe's Illustrator because I'm an artist myself, and a lot of like app is icon is made by myself. Okay, so for example, I made this app called it's more like tutorial app. It's like a simple beat trainer. Okay, I upload that to Google Play, and also I got like I think it's like a Dynaphone sort of thing. Also upload it to Google Play, and all this logo I designed myself, and I also make tutorials at my Learn Digital Art channel. Okay, so if you're interested, you can check it out. Okay, so I think I'm going to pause it here because if you're interested, you can just move to my Learn Digital Art channel where I share how I made this specific icon. Until then, until I finish that channel's updates, yeah, bye. Because after finish, I will import that or like a crop and make it suitable for our app. And let's go back here and refine the UI. And of course, I might use another technique. So I will just publish or submit for review first, and then like fine tune the UI, start another branch. Of course, that really depends on you because right now I think it's a fully functional app, and you using like an Apple's API or this Swift UI thing. So I think it's got like a better chance of passing. Okay, because if you use your own thing, even though it's like efficiency okay, but Apple may reject you because you are using something dodgy or maybe they're not too satisfied with your layout. Okay, so if you use theirs, you got more chance of passing it. So yeah, see you next video. Okay.